Hi everyone, welcome to the Masters Education YouTube channel. This is Satya. Today we discuss about another example problem on ledger posting. Now we start with an example. Problem 2 or example 2. Here the following transactions are passing journal entries after posting ledger account. Here, on April 1st, 2020, Sita started business with rupees 1 lakh and other transactions for the month are second date purchase furniture for cash rupees 7,000 and fifth day's deposit in bank to 20,000 rupees. Then go to another date, it is 8th date purchase goods for cash 2,000 and for credit 1,000 from Gita. Here observe once two transactions are in single entry. Here one is cash transaction, another one is credit transaction. Now we are going to 14th date sold goods to Lata 12,000. Here it is credit transaction and also cash sales 5,000. So it is also same type like above. Then we are going into 8th date. Sita withdrawn of worth 2,000 for personal use. Here Warner withdrawn amount from bank for personal use. Then we go to 22 date paid Gita stores 500 rupees. Then we are going to 26th date. Here received amount from Lata. Then 30,000 30 date. The paid salaries expenses 2,000. Business with transaction and purchase furniture and also cash deposit and credit purchase and cash purchase we also entered and sales goods entered. Then Sita withdrawn, it is drawings journal entry also make, and here paid Gita store to cash. Here it is bills payable for the purpose of company. We are also enter this entry. Now received amount from Lata. We are also make this entry in previous class. The paid salaries and expenses 2,000. So now we are going to prepare general entries. Now we are also knowing proforma of journal. It have 5 columns. One is date column, second one is particular column, third one is ledger portfolio, fourth one is debit amount, fifth one is credit amount. Here the first transaction is started business with cash. Here according to the real account, what comes in debit, what goes on credit. Here cash is coming to the business, that's why reason cash account is debit, remaining account is credit. Then we are going to second transaction on second date, furniture purchased on cash. Here apply the real account, what comes in debit, furniture is coming to the business, that's why reason we are debited the furniture account, and also cash is going out to the business, that's why reason cash account is created. Here 7,000 amount post both side, and after giving narration must. Then going to another transaction, it is fifth date, cash deposit in bank in 20,000. Here bank is receiver according to personal account, receiver is debit, giver is credit. Then bank account is debit. According to real account, what goes on credit. Here cash is going out to the business, that's why reason cash account is credit. Then we are going to double transactions, it is 8th date purchase, cash purchase and credit purchase. Here purchase whole amount is 3,000 and cash is 2,000 and Gita he is a credit buyer, that's why reason we are taking this style and single entry. Then we are going to cash sales and credit sales. Here cash account is debit, sales account is credit, but credit sales here appearance in the name, person name. Then we are going to another transaction, it is on 18th date, amount withdrawn from bank for personal use. Here drawings account, it is means by Warner's drawings account, debit. Then after bank is giver, that's why reason bank account is credit. Then we are going to another transaction on 22, amount paid to Geeta. Here Geeta is receiver. That's why reason Geeta account is debit. Then according to real account, what goes on credit. Here cash is going out to the business. That's why reason account is debit. Then cash account. Here Lata is debitor to the business. She giving to money. Here business is take a place, cash is coming to the business. That's why reason cash account is debit. Then Lata is giver. That's why reason Lata is credited. Then salary account. Salary according to nominal account, salary is an expenditure. So all expenditures are debit. And remaining account cash. If we are paying salary, cash is going out to the business. That's why reason cash account is credit. Now we are going to prepare ledgers. Here we calculate our posting ledgers from the journal entries. Here first we decide to find out all related transactions to cash. Here for example, first entry, observe first entry. Here cash account debtor to capital account. Here cash account is debit, so we are taking as debit side to capital account, whereas all same. Then after cash sales, here cash sales, the cash account is debit, sales is credit. So all credit side accounts are taking in debit side, and all debit side accounts related to cash are taking credit side. Then after completion of valuing two sides, which one is higher, take the both sides. Then after balance brought down, the balance carried down. Here furniture purchased on cash 7,000, purchase account 2,000 by Geeta. It is bills payable, we are paying to Geeta for the purpose of credit purchase. Then salary account. Salary is nominal expenditure, we are paying, it is on one type of expenditure. So bank deposit 20,000. Here also same. Then total calculation of and debit side 1,22,000. Here credit side is less than, that's why reason we are deduct that amount. Remaining amount is 90,500. This amount is transferred to next month starting. Then we are going to prepare capital account. Capital account is only one. It is amount withdrawn from, the cash account is here by cash account. Here cash account to cash account debit and to capital account. Then we are prepared is like this. Then after is also like balancing in both side, which one is higher, take in two columns. Then after substituting another line. Then furniture is only one entry in furniture purchased 7,000. It is entry to furniture purchased, furniture account debtor to cash account. Here furniture account to be debit, that's why reason to cash is taking. Then after we are going to another problem. Then purchase account. Purchase account is also related to the furniture account. Here two types of, one is cash purchase, another one is credit purchase. Here both purchases are taken. Then after we going to the credit side. There is no purchase return, that's why reason we take whole amount. It is balance brought down 3,000. Then we are then this amount is transferred to the next month. Then we are going to sales account. Here also same, the cash sales and credit sales. Cash sales is 5,000, credit sales is 12,000, total amount is 17,000. In going to debit side there is no amount, so then that's why reason we are take all amount is balance brought down. Then where this amount is transferred to next month has balance carried on. Then Geeta is credit purchaser to the business, that's why reason here we have two entries related to Geeta. One is purchase, another one is payment. Here first we take as purchase is 1000 to the credit side. Then we are going to debit side. Geeta account is debit to cash account 5000. Then both sides, which one is higher, take two columns. Then after value, the remaining amount is transferred to next month. Bank deposit, here two entries, one is cash deposit, another one is cash withdrawal from bank for personal use. Then both side is apply. Then we are going to Lata account is similar to Geeta accounts but opposite, but because bills payable or bills receivable or rules are same, but wholly different. Then we are going to drawings. Drawings are one type of expenditure or loan. Here taking as consideration, the amount should be deducted from the bank. Then we are going to salary account. Salary account is nominal account. According to this rule, all expenditure is debit. So that's why reason salary account is debit. Here to mistake. Here it is not salary account to cash account 2000. And thank you all.